welcome everyone. I am Anchal and I am right now in this beautiful backwaters in Kumrakam and proceeding towards QST and R Kayal in Kuttanad in Alappuzha district of Kerala. Well, right behind me you can see Vembanad Lake, which is the largest lake in Kerala. At first glance you might mistake it for sea, but trust me, it's not. Even I am surprised to see this big gorgeous lake. This is the second largest lake in India. Well, I'm very excited to take this gorgeous and traditional shikara ride today. Namaskaram Cheta. Namaskaram. So everybody, we have Vinod Cheta with us, who is our guide for the day, and surprisingly he is the owner of this gorgeous and traditional shikara boat. Let's start our ride. Well, obviously by looking at my face you can clearly guess how happy I am today. This is one of the best boat ride experience I have had in my lifetime in Kerala. No, I'm not exaggerating. Look at the beautiful skies, coconut trees, birds chirping around and sweet symphony of water. This is the kind of place where I can calm my mind and envision my future. Isn't this a beautiful experience? Well, right now I am at the mid-junction of QST and R Kayal, and on my left side you can see Q Block. Behind my back you can see S and T Kayal, and on my right side we have the R Block. Houseboats plying on backwater is a very common sight here. Tourists can also schedule their rides in advance according to their convenience. These traditional houseboats has the facility of air-conditioned rooms, kitchen, delicious food amidst this beautiful nature. I really think this is one of the unique experience Kuttanad has to offer, and you must take it with your family. So did you know this place has a very interesting history behind its transformation into a thriving agricultural land? Like many other places during unpleasant times of World War II, there was an urgent requirement of government to find a solution for people's starvation. So the former king of Travancore suggested and proposed the idea of farming to be done on a wider area in Kuttanad. And a very prominent figure in the name of Joseph Murugan, who is also known as Kayal King, headed the process of reclaiming the marshy land to paddy fields by mobilizing workers and constructing dikes to embank the lake. In Kuttanad, various blocks of this Vembanad Lake were converted into paddy fields, and 3 of them were named after the members of the royal family, Rani, Chitira and Martanda. It is believed to be the only place in the world where paddy cultivation is done up to 2 to 4 meters below the sea level, and is very famous for its below sea level farming system. This place is a perfect and spectacular backwater destination in Kerala, which proves to be a striking example of agricultural engineering. This eye-catching place is one of the top houseboat cruise routes in Alleppey and is the foremost destination to spend some quality time with your friends and hang out with your family. Kuttanad makes the cut of my 3 must-visit places in Kerala. I hope it tops yours too.